Hi guys, in part 1 I already covered natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Today I'm going to cover rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers and prime numbers. In next video I'm going to cover even numbers, odd numbers, composite numbers, zero. Definition of rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as fractions where the numerator and denominator are both integers. In other words, rational numbers are numbers that can be written in the form of a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. Explanation of fractions and their representation. Fractions represent parts of a whole or a division of quantities. They consist of a numerator, the top number, and a denominator, the bottom number. The numerator represents the number of a part we have, while the denominator represents the total number of equal parts that make up a whole. The fractions a by b can be interpreted as divided by b. Examples of rational numbers: 1 by 2, 3 by 4, minus 2 by 5, etc. Note: rational numbers can include integers as well as, for example, 2 can be expressed as 2 by 1 or 5 as minus 5 by 1, representing whole numbers as fractions. Definition of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as following as fractions or rations of integers. They are non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Unlike rational numbers, irrational numbers cannot be written as a simple fraction. Explanation of non-repeating decimals. Non-repeating decimals are decimals that go on forever without repeating a pattern. The decimal representation of irrational numbers is an infinite sequence of non-repeating digits. These decimals cannot be expressed as a fraction or a ratio of two integers. Example of irrational numbers: square 2, approximately 1.41421356, pi, approximately 3.1415925, e, approximately 2.71828183. Note: there are many more rational numbers, but these examples are commonly known. Definition of real numbers. Real numbers encompass all rational and irrational numbers, forming a comprehensive set of numbers on a number line. Real numbers include integers, fractions, decimals, and numbers. Explanation of set of rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed fractions or ratios of integers. They include terminating decimals such as 0.75 and repeating decimals such as 0.33, etc. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed fractions or ratios of integers. They include non-repeating decimals such as square 2 and non-terminating decimals such as pi. Examples of real numbers: integers -3, 0, 2, 5, etc. Rational numbers: 1 by 2, 0.75, -2 by 5, 3.33, etc. Irrational numbers: square 2, approximately 1.41421356, pi, approximately 3.1415925, e, approximately 2.71828183. Note: the set of real numbers in the vast includes the many examples than can be listed here. Definition of prime numbers. Prime numbers are natural numbers greater than 1 that have only two positive divisors, 1 and the number itself. In other words, prime numbers cannot be divided evenly by another number. Explanation of their properties and importance. Prime numbers are fundamental building blocks of the other system and unique properties. They play a critical role on a number theory, cryptography and various mathematical algorithms. Prime numbers have special property. They cannot be factored into a small whole numbers. except for 1 and themselves. The study of prime numbers helps in understanding the distribution of numbers, patterns and relations within the number system. Examples of prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Note: prime numbers continue infinitely and there are infinitely many prime numbers. Thank you.